Centella Asiatica, otherwise known as Cica, tiger grass, Indian Pennywort, or Gotu Kola, is known for its moisturizing, wound healing, and anti-aging properties. And legend has it that after being injured, tigers would roll in these plants to heal themselves, which is where the name tiger grass comes from. It's a perennial herb from the parsley family that grows in the tropical areas of Asia, Africa, and Australia, and has been used in Chinese and Indian medicine for centuries now for all types of skin conditions. In this video, I wanted to go over the 3 known benefits Centella has on the skin and why you should use it, the best way to use Centella, and the best products on the market, so stay with me till the end. Also guys, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to the channel for more videos just like this one. Generally speaking, you'll find Centella used in a lot of K-beauty products, formulated to be gentle since the air pollution in the country can leave the skin extra sensitive. This is why if you live in an area with a lot of pollution, this ingredient could be useful, and we'll get into why in just a second. Think of Centella as an adaptogen, meaning it works with your body to help it function more effectively. So if your skin is irritated, dry, tight, and red, or you're struggling with acne, dark spots, and aging, and you've tried just about every over-the-counter remedy around, but nothing's worked, then Centella may be a good option now. And this is because of 4 active compounds that are going to be the reason why this ingredient works. Here are the 4 that you need to know: asiaticide, asiatic acid, madecassic acid, and the most noteworthy one being madecassoside, which by the way is amazing if you're experiencing redness and irritation from your retinoids, then that one is a good ingredient. These 4 ingredients are said to be smoothing, they can stimulate collagen production, and fight inflammation, which is important in eczema and rosacea. And with that said, let's get into the first benefit. The first benefit is going to be if your skin is inflamed and red. Acne, rosacea, and eczema are inflammatory, right? Using Centella can help reduce this inflammation when used in conjunction with other products. For acne sufferers, it speeds the healing, which helps to prevent scarring and prevents future blemishes. This is thanks to the madecassoside, which boosts the antioxidant activity at the site. Interestingly, this is why it's also used for burns. The second benefit is anti-aging. This is because Centella can make your skin appear more hydrated, plumper, and look healthier too. On top of that, take a look here. In cosmetology, Centella Asiatica has been used as an effective anti-photoaging agent, mainly due to the enhancement of type 1 collagen, which, as you all know, decreases with age. So it boosts your type 1 collagen, and when combined with something like vitamin C, take a look here. We can find that it has a synergistic effect. Thus, it follows that the mixture of vitamin C and madecassoside is an attractive combination of 2 active compounds characterized by different mechanisms of activity which exert an additive or synergistic effect, causing the remodeling of the superficial dermis, which is awesome. I'll leave my affiliate link to a vitamin C serum that works well with Centella in the description below. Interesting to note, while we're on this topic of anti-aging, cellulite can be a huge issue for some folks, right? And there really isn't much out there to address this issue. The reason why people use Centella for cellulite is because of the same reason why they use it on varicose veins. And it has to do with the influence it has on microcirculation in the connective tissue and the normalization of the collagen. Some studies are mixed on this, with benefits only related back to the striae if it came from puberty. So this is why it's important to have realistic expectations if you're using Centella on cellulite, because it won't help all types of cellulite. The third benefit is for moisturization. TEWL, or transepidermal water loss, is the amount of water that passively evaporates through the skin to the external environment due to water vapor pressure gradient on both sides of the skin barrier. The TEWL in humans is about 300 to 400 milliliters a day. That's a lot of water loss, but this is affected by both environmental factors and intrinsic factors. And what do I mean? In high humidity, the amount of water loss will decrease due to the drops in the water vapor pressure gradient. But also TEWL varies in different anatomic sites on the body and is inversely related to corneocyte size. So the smaller the corneocyte, the higher the TEWL. We have data from the Indian Journal of Pharmaceutical Sciences that shows us that in vivo test formulations containing 5% of Centella Asiatica extract showed the best efficacy in improving skin moisture by increasing a skin surface hydration state, and get this guys, decrease in transepidermal water loss. And also, if you want to add, as well as exhibited anti-inflammatory properties, which we discussed earlier. So those are going to be the three main benefits: decreasing red and inflamed skin, fighting the skin signs of aging and boosting collagen, and then moisturizing by decreasing TEWL. And the good news is all skin types can benefit from it, and that includes sensitive skin as well. There are actually so many different preparations out there, from toners and ampules to sheet masks and sunscreens, but in my opinion, it's best to use products that stay on your face for longer periods of time, like creams, serums, and lotions. There are currently three I like: a cleanser, a moisturizer, and a serum, which I can link for you down below. The Pyunkang Yul Foaming Cleanser, the Madagascar Centella Ampule, and the CosRx Centella Blemish Cream. Overall, three great products formulated with skin-friendly ingredients, and can be a great solution if you experience irritation from your actives too, since it's quick to calm the skin down. Or honestly, if you just messed up your skin barrier, then I recommend using Centella as a way to restore it as well. This is a video I made on repairing the skin barrier that I highly encourage you to watch next. And in terms of how to use each of these, if you opt for the cleanser, incorporate it into the first step of your routine, and then follow that through with the rest of your skincare routine. For the ampule, use it as a step before applying your moisturizer, and for the moisturizer, use it as a second to last step in your routine before applying your sunscreen. And because it has gentle anti-inflammatory properties, you could go ahead and use it twice a day, no problem. Sometimes, guys, you'll also find Centella Asiatica products with a green tint to counteract the redness that comes with an inflamed complexion. But be careful with these, because they can sometimes sit on top of your skin and make you look like Shrek. But I'm more curious to hear from you guys though. What are your thoughts on Centella Asiatica? Comment down below what you think. In the meantime, guys, if you found this video useful, click the subscribe button down below, and I'll see you guys on the next one.